Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and today we're going to talk about what you don't want to do with your repair shop unless you got a large checkbook. So stay tuned. All right, so probably a lot of you have it as well, that you're open to certain hours and then you have drop off hours if it's after hours because they're working till 5 or till 6. Would it be all right if they just dropped it off? So that's fine. As long as I know what's coming, I'll write the tag out right now, and when I get here in the morning, I'll put the tag on it. So I had a guy get a hold of me. I used these for props yesterday, but I had a guy get a hold of me, and he's like, I got a wicked deal. I said, a wicked deal? And he said, yeah. He said, Tractor Supply had them greatly reduced, but he said that they said that they didn't do much to them, but they just wanted to get rid of them. So they had a reduced sale on these. Shit you not. The box came with it. It says right on it, defective. If they would have read the tag, it would have said that it's seized up and it's already been checked by a other repair shop. Now, I can see the piston going. So this one is not seized up. Yes, it is. When you go the way it's supposed to, I say that the connecting rod or something is busted in. This one doesn't even have a rewind on it. But in this box, there's a rewind for MS310. I'm pretty sure this is the cover that went to this. There's the side panel that went to that. But on your left, this is a pull-on Pro, so that would be this one. So this one must go with this one. But spring is busted on it. There's the muffler for that one. There's the muffler bolts and screen and everything for that one. Unless you have a big checkbook. If you bring that to me and you want me to fix this crap, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. And what I end up telling the guy, I said, what do you got invested in it? And he said 150. I said, well, it's 125 too much. And he said, what do you mean? I said, well, I give you 20 bucks, 25 bucks to take the pair off your hands and just have them around here for parts. And sometimes when you think you're getting a deal, you're not getting a deal. And the ones that really make me squeamish are the ones that ride around and do Facebook Marketplace and go to auctions and buy this stuff, bring it to me because they think it's only going to take a little bit of work to get it going, then they can resell it and make a profit. They're flipping lawnmowers and chainsaws and weed eaters. Don't. If you see it at an auction, if it's a consignment auction, there's a good reason why it's there. And if you have your Tractor Supplies and Walmart and them, or they deeply discounted something with no warranty, there's a reason for it. They already know what the problem is. Unless you have another saw just like this and you were going to use this for parts, it's the only way I would buy it. But I mean, it's not worth redoing the whole cylinder and piston and rings. It's a throwaway. But as I explained to him, I said, I'll buy them off you and I'll throw them on the shelf, because he didn't have other saws that were like this. So the bar and chains wouldn't fit anything he had. Actually, he didn't have a chainsaw. He didn't even know how to run a chainsaw. And he bought these. So when you're out and about and you're going to auctions, consignment auctions, and you're seeing lawnmowers or push mowers free on the side of the road, there's a reason why they're there. You know, leave those for the junkers, the scrappers. Because I'll be honest with you, I tell my customers that if I do a compression check and it's under 90 and they still get it to fire up a little bit, now's the time to get rid of it. Sell it. Take it to a consignment auction where you can bring your crap in and just drop it off, and the auctioneer goes right down through. You know, sell it as is to somebody that lives a long ways away, not close by, so that they can get back at you. So, I mean, but as a shop owner, we can look at it a little differently, right? Now, I've been selling on eBay, Amazon, our own website, and a bunch of other places for years now. So there is a market for some of this stuff. I mean, just simply a customer having a Poulan Pro that wanted a bar and chain. The chain would probably set you back around 25 or 30 bucks, and the bar another 30, 40 bucks. But if you sold it to them for 25 that you got into all of it, now you as a shop have paid for these 2 units. And more than once, I've started taking stuff apart, and you know, one of these exhausts, they go bad. And if you've got one you can scarf off from either one that might be a matching set to what they're using, you know, there's an easy 20 bucks, 15 bucks. The brake handles with the brake system, that's expensive. If you part it out, you could make money on it. But to try to sell it as a whole unit, no. But this customer here called me and said, you know, I can't get there till after hours. You know, what can I do? And I said, well, if you want, I know that they're coming. We've got an enclosed trailer. I said, just send them inside the enclosed trailer and I'll take a look at them in the morning. And like I say, all this stuff was in the box. And that's how they sold it. You can't fix stupid, right?